Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus CE for Lite. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere and launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. When you finish, connect by tapping on the Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!